Yo, how you doing all? Sorry I'm not doing Fantasy Star today. So I thought I would replace it with a little tutorial on this little mini game thing, I can't pronounce it, on Dragon Quest 3 on a Super Nintendo. An easier way than save stating it, but with a Game Genie code. I just thought I'd show it off because I haven't seen any YouTubes with it. But as we can see, here is the second mini game. I thought I'd demonstrate it on here. I will get through. I will show the code and how it works in a bit. But obviously, you need those tickets. I've got 3 of them. Talk to a guy, or just press triangle. Oh, sorry, not triangle because I'm using a PS4 controller. Now, obviously, I know a lot of people would save state when you roll the dice, okay? Instead, when you got this Game Genie code on, press, well, if it's a PS4 controller, it would be L1, but it would just be the top button, left top button, which will be the L button, and you get this come up, okay? Now, you could choose which number you want on the dice. If you go 7 or upwards or 10 or whatever, it'd just be 6. So you want to get to that pot, you do number 3, then roll a dice, and you got number 3. Yeah, and obviously I've already got what's in there. Now, yeah, that's one half of it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I want 4. Because 5 and 6 are... Well, I could do 6, because I'm not saving this when I'm done. So, number 6. Yeah, just... I lose 100 gold, whatever. What's down there, I don't know. So, maybe you want to save state if you don't have a map to this... or not memorise, because you don't know what's coming up. So, I'll just do number 6. Right, I actually want 5. So, oh yeah, press the B button, or X if you use PS4 controller, to get it off the menu. So I want number 5. Roll dice. Now, when you get to this, it will then, it's random what you get. It's different with whatever you choose. Like, but if you choose number 0, it'll be random like normal. So yeah, save state when you hit this. Yeah, I've lost wisdom. But there is a thing where it'll roll a dice again. There is an apostrophe one on here, which I will get to in a bit. But right now, if you want to... Oh, just a moment. Yeah, we roll a dice, right? Roll dice 5. Now, when you get to a slot where it will roll a dice randomly, it would always be a 5. So there is one that will increase stats or whatever. So, like that question mark we're going to do. So before you move on, when you've rolled the dice, press L1 again and go to 6, okay? Well, not 6, but... And then and this will come up. So press B button. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to save state here. And I'm going to hit 0. And hopefully it will get a random dice. Here we go, yeah. So this will be the apostrophe one. 6 is your max HP and you got to get an even. Or say it or other. 6 means it will go up by 6 points. And even means it will go up. If it's odd, you will lose it. But yeah, that's how you do that one. Number 1, obviously, to get another slot up. Hopefully I can get to that bit, that I can demonstrate a bit more better. Treasure chest. Yeah, I've already got it. Roll a 6 again. Yeah, fast forwarding a bit through it. Oh, I still got 1 space. Search the panel now. Oh, got 2 more of them, okay. another question mark one. I don't really care, I just do number 1, which would always be the same. Oh, okay. Depending when you do it. So if you save state and chose number 1, it'll be the same what I just got there. Well, not what I've got, but whatever you get the first time. But it's only number 0 that's random on the question mark. There is one of them. Right. The apostrophe one. Okay. So I want to roll 1 dice so I could go up. Roll the dice, but then press the L button again to get this number up again. Now, obviously, I like the HP. So I wanna make number 6. Because hang about, I will load state that a minute. So number 1 to roll the dice. Now, if I just went straight up, right, it will randomly roll the dice, but it'll always be number 1 because that's the last thing I chose, decreased. So, yeah, you sadly can't do, like, if you wanted your strength up and you wanted to go up by 6, sadly that won't work. So the best thing is the HP. Oh no, what am I doing? So, want to roll the dice to number 1, then press the L button again once the dice is rolled and press number 6. Now this menu will always come up when you do it the second time, so just press B to cancel. And then it will roll the dice 6. 6. Uh-oh. Devil! 6. Yeah. And then obviously you want to roll a dice to number 2. And then, but you could just use the dice how you want it. Obviously, I'm just going through a quick tutorial of how this game's Genie code works. With how it actually works. And there, we got it. So that's the dice rolling game Genie code for this. But it's not just for this little mini game. If you press it outside of the L button, you get this. It's a debug menu. And return, it's called a fake return. You return to anywhere on the map, but it says fake return because your ship or your bird or whatever don't come with you. And you got outside day and night, key places, obviously, like weapon shop, any weapon. I don't know what weapon shop it is. I don't really bother with this menu, this debug menu, only for the mini game. But you gotta go your bank, register, and tavern. Those two are like register a new character to take out the new character. Really good if you start doing the building a new town at the start instead of just keep going backwards. If you didn't want to carry a merchant with you, you can just use this when you're there. Obviously, level up. You could just choose whatever character you want to level up. Change your class. Don't know how that works. I never tried, really. Personality. You could change your personality. I use that one because, whatever. Gold. Give yourself gold. Or whatever. Flag shop. Don't know what that is. Status effects. Don't know what that... Oh, give yourself a status effect. Fill your bag. Gives you one of every item. Obviously, that is just, for me, a no-no. Choose battle. Obviously, you can battle whatever monster you want. So if you actually want to battle metal slimes or metal babbles or whatever. Tile battle. It will just give you a random battle where you are. So of course you're in a village, so you wouldn't really work. But in this area, if you press L, it is a alright way to grind, but quickly. So obviously it's 15 because this area is number 15. And other areas will be other numbers. View monsters or whatever. I don't know. And fully heal yourself. That means HP and MP. Obviously I don't use that because I will use... if I was low on MP, I would use rings or whatever. and obviously debug stuff. Encounter settings, obviously turn encounters on and off. I will never use that because I don't. I like to battle. You should know me, and all this sort of stuff, and view the end credits and all that. So yeah, now let me get the Game Genie code up for you. So if I go here and go to cheats. There is other two, always critical here, and buy mini medals in the shop. I'm following a walkthrough and I missed one and I don't know where in the video it was, so I did that bottom one. Always critical here, I only use that if I'm dying all the time. Actually, I've not got it turned on now. But this one, debug mode. If I go to edit, there's the code at the bottom, okay? It's a 3-line code. So let me get that off. Oh, sorry, let me get that up for you again. Edit. There you go. So that is a nice way if you want to cheat and not cheat really big. Like I don't like cheating really big. I only like the miscellaneous, which the debug option is really good for. Yeah. So sorry I haven't done much YouTube lately. I had a bad couple of days, and I was actually ill, not mentally ill. Exhaustion, you could say. I'll go into that another time, maybe. Alright, that's all. But before I go, I'm not actually bailing this. I have had this planned out. Maybe he gave me the idea, who knows. But I'm not trying to copy him. But what is the next video going to be? And who is this MC Koi? Well, you have to find out in the next video. Yeah, I wanted to do that, I'm sorry. But who is this MC Koi that I've mentioned twice? Anyway, take care everyone. Peace and chicken grease.